This video wasala our brother Okwuluola because over some few days back over Yenesel Okwuluola na Kenneth Ohaneze. That is our own brother Nemekwe film. Imana for a long time now Kenneth Ohaneze has not been feeling fine. So imago sometimes Okwuluola gabia opposed to that it's been long after dota original the person should send it to him so that he can actually reach the person. It's just like exactly if you can remember when Mr. Igbo and so some people were kind of looking for his number and all these things. So Okwuluola wrote something in his page, see that now it's been long he saw Kenneth Ohaneze. I hope that now hold there because original number Kenneth Ohaneze, let the person reach out to him, you understand. But because Okwuluola has have a lot of enemies, Imago, Basalu, USA issue and all these things, I think some people went and fed Kenneth Ohaneze with lies. Do you understand? So we put online we Bawamba and Okwuluola Chiji Amenka because he called Okwuluola a lot of names and all these things. Now what I want to say about this video is that sometimes people will not ask questions. They will come online and say a lot of things before they will now go back and ask questions, which is very wrong. For people that is saying that Okwuluola Chiji Kenneth Ohaneze we Mediana we Tego is very, very wrong. Because Okwuluola be type of gabu ono katochete our old celebrities chefu. He's not the only one doing it. The lot of people, majority of them out there is also doing it. But Okwuluola is the person I can beat my chest to say that now this guy on a bono katobu no ofu hoya online. You may go a long time or that kind of thing. Or say oye dota or kanokria. And it's not a bad thing to ask. It's not a bad thing when they say oye number oye dota. Yes, yeah, the number. He never said Katoliego or something like that. Now, some people fed you with lie. Kenneth Ohaneze, Mr. Kenneth Ohaneze, sorry. And then you're supposed to do your founding before making a video and post it online. You're supposed to even reach out to Okwuluola. Thank you for asking of me. This is what I'm battering with for long now, you know, that kind of thing, than coming online to post, to do video and post it online. Then at the end of the day, unmeche reconcile. That one is not a problem. But that is where I actually want to point out. And for people that is actually condemning Okwuluola up and down, left and right, please, you people have to stop it. You people have to stop it. Okwuluola is actually passing through a lot of pain. This guy is not feeling fine. His mommy is not feeling fine. He's passing through a lot of pain, but still yet he's taking that risk, going extra mile to help some people. And you people still have the mind to go online because you have, because Diloma and this and all, because now suspect all this USA and which a problem before. Please, you people have to stop. Okwuluola need somebody like only the like full support. It's not an easy thing. Just yesterday, Okwuluola had issue with in the Guinea one Imo State, one local government like that in Imo State, to go and help someone. Okwuluola. Then still yet they came out and be dragging him up and down with evidence and all these things. You guys are just being wicked to this guy. It's not good. You have to help him out. If you think that what he's doing is easy, why can't you open your own charity, whatever, and start your own? You can create a page and start it. You have to stop it, please. It's not good. But anyway, this is my own opinion. I don't know about you. Anything that you want to say, you can drop it in comment section. And also subscribe to my channel and also share the video. But please, listen to this particular video first. And God bless you.
I only wait at this video. Share this video. What is the crime of Okwuluola and Igbo? What is the crime of Okwuluola and Igbo? And who are this set of people that are always targeting the image of Okwuluola and Igbo? I am here to answer this question. Can you feel the crime of Okwuluola and Igbo in the case of Clem Ohameze? If you watch the screenshot of that Clem Ohameze incident that Okwuluola and Igbo posted, you will simply see MUN crested on that picture. What it shows is that Okwuluola and Igbo got that information from Maria Udenwashi's page. Maria Udenwashi's page. MUN. If you go there, you will see it. Maria Udenwachi. Eba ka Okwuluola nwetalo that video. Now, in his own way of always trying to help our veteran actors, just like he did for a couple of them, out. Okwuluola, after reading the post from that page, Okwuluola to reach out to the family of Clem Ohameze, just like he did to Amaechi Monago and the likes of others. He was saying it, and what did he say in that video? The part I don't follow as a screenshot. If you know how I can reach out to Clem Ohameze, please, no need the number Clem Ohameze to call him. Is this the crime Okwuluola committed in trying to look out for a brother, in trying to reach out to a brother, in trying to help out a brother, in trying to get our people into helping a brother? Even if Clem Ohameze put a clarification to that, where does it involve trying to get DSS or whatever? This is a man who acted out of his own goodwill and free will. What is the crime of Okwuluola? Go to that video, that page, that picture of Clem Ohameze. You will see it. Look at it. In fact, look at it on this page. MUN, meaning Maria Udenwashi. And what it means is that Maria Udenwashi, who also were a big platform and other big platforms, got that news even before Okwuluola carried it, just as a way of trying to reach out and help the man. Can you feel the crime Okwuluola committed there? Now, who are those people who are trying to bring Okwuluola's image down? But from apart from those people, and Okwuluola differences before. Okay, maybe for WhatsApp group. Other people let's go back to our root. Not Matthias as per se, but na media other places, man, they not outside Nigeria. Okwuluola na-eme eye service. Okwuluola na-eme eye service. Okwuluola no way commit a crime against these people. That at the peak of the time, these people were spreading false message against the church. These people were spreading a campaign against the church, trying to see how they can bring the church down. Okwuluola will hassle about the message given to him by Evangelist Bukobi and the confirmation of that message. That was where Okwuluola ordeal actually started from. That was when they now decided to put Okwuluola on a spotlight. Bozo. Nebe fangana choka hagosi nde mmado. Noka emerozi adrozi of any benefit to us. Okwuluola, somebody though as influential as Okwuluola, we decide there to give the way decide there to give ground to Ndoka by saying that the Ebukobi Pulamu Mane Bono Obiana Mesu. Remember that when he went to Germany, some people confronted him in Germany and he also resisted them. It became the crime of Okwuluola to the point that during the time of COS, some of them, the only reason some of them were Okwuluola as the fact that Ebuka Obi buru na amụma na mmadụ ya eloketi Okwuluola with money. Okwuluola confirm na ego ahụ abịago, na ego ahụ ego COS. Nya ntị, na ego ahụ ego COS. Ịghọtara? It became the point of hatred. This little percentage of people now started recruiting people. And today, the rest is history. Ka ndị Igbo aka na ntị, ana m ha ahụkwakwe na ahụrụ ya onye ọwụna egbuo dike na ọgụ ụlọ ụbọchị ọgụ ezighi elu achọwa nwa dike. Nwere onye Igbo currently do capable of raising money for people ahụ adịghọ more than Okwuluola can do. Nwere onye Igbo, statistics show go, there is no Igbo man, everybody will tell you, look for Okwuluola, look for Okwuluola, look for Okwuluola. Nwere onye Igbo, be you a social media influencer or who, nwere ike erase the kind of, let me say, social media influencers, nwere ike erase the amount of money Okwuluola nwere ike erase gburu ndị mmadụ ahụ adịrọ. Ọ na-azụ Igbo ndụ in a very big way. So ọwụrụ na nwere differences bụ na Okwuluola melu, like I saw people who calls Okwuluola out maka ife gbasara land transaction or this. Okwuluola who a brand ambassador called to a company, and ọwụrụ na nwere issue gbasara land, reach out to Okwuluola. Let Okwuluola know how to sort out that issues. And enwe inconsistencies in business. You have yours, I have mine. And enwe inconsistencies in business. And enwe inconsistencies, you go for solution. Rather than coming yourself to come and chase clout with Afo Okwuluola. Among me funu ne benefit in either shock or drag the Alpha Mado to the mud. You people try to do it using COS. Even after the law enforcement agencies invited him, they did not find him anything incriminating on him. They left him. Ona, a report went to Daddy Freeze. A report went to VDM. VDM back into the matter and finally realized that Okwuluola, the innocent, he apologized to Okwuluola and agreed to work with Okwuluola. Ojo mwaka jemechi ife ono okwo na atoje okwo na atoro he debekwu ndu keta awukwa olu onwe ye ka ndị mmadụ tọnụkwara out na asị na ọ na-echesi cloud. Kedu cloud Okwuluola na-echesi ife? I am asking you people, kedu cloud unu ya asị na Okwuluola na-echesi ife? Asịrị onye wuru ezigbo na ewu ezigbo reward for ezigbo ife n'obodo a suppose ozi edo ado. So onye ọwụna decide ka o mewe ezigbo ife n'obodo a enwezi reward suppose edo abịa to onye na-emere ezigbo ife. Aghọta ụmụ unu niile ndị duzi affiliated to the way unu sizi ewere ife a na-etinye into aspect of other things do beneficial to ndị Igbo. Dukwa very bad o, unu na he afọm a very bad cartel ihe nyuru ezigbo nsogbu. Onye ọwụna gara against ife ahụ unu na-ekwu na achụ onye akụ mgbo. This is the only crime Okwuluola committed. Until then, ikpe afọ Okwuluola ebe niile, it is so good until unu niile wee recruit onwe unu wee bido spread like this kind of hate. It's kwano na ife Okwuluola na-eme adọrọ mma. Go and do it. Go and do it within a twinkle of an eye. Kerafa, that guy o jere n'ụmụaka nọ na Zenith Kidney Center na Abuja receiving treatment. That is a life of an Igbo man that matters. He keep doing it. Ala wonu ka ezigbo ife na-enwe ụgwọ. Ezigbo ife na-enwe ụgwọ. Onye gburu nwanne ya ahụ odogwu hapụ na Okwuluola ka ọ lụọ ọrụ Chineke dịrị ya. Kere crime ye now against crime Ohaneze. Ejike moment of truth, very confused human being. You wrote down a whole effort. I know you are just trying to draw unnecessary attention and chase crowd because that is all you do with your page. You want to go trying to tell people that Okwuluola mean well if on a that in this one and if anything wrong, people in the comment section they do Okwuluola eye service and the oversabi we for them. Say you are right. If you show okay, can the mmadụ kwuwe maka because na man itinye na page go no nwere some element no na page go ya bịa koyo ọnụ. Ndị Igbo meru na onwu na ebele. Onye mela ya ifa. Onye mela ya ifa. Coming after every single thing ndị Igbo nwere maka anya ukwu. Anya ukwu ka ọwụ na ekworo. Anya ukwu. Anya ukwu ịchọrọ ka onwe onye ka ịchọọ ka onwe onye ka wee make wave. Now ask yourself, how are you contributing to the well-being and ọganiru ndị Igbo? What have you contributed since iji wee wụrụ mmadụ to the progress of ndị Igbo, whether na individual to individuals or to community, to your ụmụnna, to your family? Ask yourself. You have not contributed anything. Yet you see people who are doing what they are doing. In orona ohafa. Ijekwa ifu ndị na Zeus. No matter ntu onye ahụ dị, ụnụ ya fụrịrị ọdụ ụnụ ka ya sị na onye ahụ shine go na ndị mmadụ amara ya. Ụnụ achọ ụzọ ụnụ yesi wee bring you down. Why ndị Igbo ji wee do like this? Ndị Yoruba ọ do like this. Ndị Hausa ọ do like this. And onye akpatara isi na anya ji wee daa ya etu ọdụ. Bịakwanụ ka ụnụ kọwa ọnụ. Hapụ na okpuru ọrụ aka. Nwere onye n'ime ụnụ ọ na-eme. Onye n'ime ụlọ ọnwụ nya bụ ife. Okay, onwe onye ahụ adịghị, let us refer that person to you. Ka inyere onye ahụ aka were ezie gaa eji wee detreat ya. Ịghọtago? Ife ahụ jos na ndị mmadụ ata akịkata na m ezugo nka wee sị ka m bịakwuo a piece of my mind. You people should leave Okwuluola alone. Hapụ the young man alone. Leave him alone. Let him live his life. Ntuchukwu si wee kpọ ya oku. Ọ karịghị etu a.